Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set notification ringtone sound on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to set notification ringtone sound on Samsung mobile, so how to set notification ringtone sound today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung phone. Then how to set notification ringtone sound. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. Friends, after on sound and vibration, friends, you want to set your phone ringtone, and friends, you want to change ringtone, so friends, you can select ringtone and you can change your phone ringtone on your Samsung phone from here friends. Friends, click on notification sound. Friends, which sound do you like guys, you can select and you can use it. So friends, I like this sound, so I will select. Friends, and you want to increase your fan notification volume, you can increase and you can decrease from here. So friends, you can adjust according to yourself your notification sound. So friends, like that you can set your notification sound on your Samsung mobile. And friends, you can set your notification ringtone sound from your search option. Click here and search your notification sound. Friends, you can see notification sound setting. So we will click here. Friends, click on notification sound. Direct friends, you can set any ringtone, means any sound on your device and you can use. Friends, notification sound will again set. And friends, you want to change, friends, you will have to only select ringtone and sound will change. So like that guys, we can set and change notification sound on Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, friends, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.